Kikubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ki MLA kaseng Kongres hadian bekilami jendan napok kayeng dorbar tauan mentakasngi ka khatsan terik unai luar Hajar Arpuwei kila pertaban penrem ya kesorkar MDA balaya lam de ukon rat ke sangma da kabaya kejat hadu pelau jong kayeng dorbar tauan kani kajeng pertaki MLA ka Kongres kadai hadian bau lampang kayeng dorbar tauan syam la ailat banyak keren halor ka jing bom la ka sorkar ban penshitom ya ki pulet ki bedan kti ban set yap yu ba cherish feel thank you ubadai u general secretary barem ka HNLC ha ka por bakilalet kan ra ka ying sa jong u ha maulai kan ton masar kabla jia ka step ka khatlai tare unai lar Hajar Arpuwei kani ka jing bom sha u lampang banyak keren ya kene ka mat ka dei na mar ka sorkar kam kwa banyak keren na ba kalathung da ka ken hun to ken.
We demand justice! We demand justice! We demand justice! Down, down! Down, down!
We demand
Justice!
We demand
Justice!
We demand
Justice!
MDA government
Down, down!
MDA government
Down, down!
We demand
Justice!
We demand
Justice!
Tai pengilawan ra siya ka dorba tauan. Hakajing siya mentakas ni nilawan ra ya ko wa special motion. Banginya tai halor kajing mamla jong kani ka sorkar bakan te katam yo bod usam batla susha benchet shisha benchet la susha le ben la susha i ben na do ki pulet ru mdon shu bala ban ai ki ya kajing da haki jaka sa ni dihenrei habangi wa bat ni walam ya kawai ke discussion mangi ya kren halor ka jing don kam bat ka jing shongnia ban ya tai hato kadai bat ka shong thok ne em yangi bangin ya khana bangin ya kren bangin ya keli jing keli halor ka jing don kam ban suspend ya ki he sorkar baro kiba la don kti ha kata ka red ka bakila le na kaliya ka sarkar ha ka khatlai tarik jong unai August nrei hadin pa u speaker u la sha ini bangin grand ya kane ka business la de het ya ka ha kata ka calendar kendet menen yo ka city ba ka wat ka city na home minister jong ka sarkar banong baya kani kapam suspension omla ban kren ha kadorbar tauan namar kaya tengko bat kata ka case lani kata ka jingto kit benia kapakila seng na kasarkar ngis go kum ka opposition ba ngi dei ka sur upat ba lada upat ba ulaki ulawin lakata banai lakata tayaw halor kani ka agenda misno bangi don kam banyo ya kata kalat banyak keren buat kesarkar ha kadorbar tauan ka badai ka jaka ka bit ka biang ya ginong ya lam bakin ya keren ya kanong ko issue lam sha shu ini laweng sendet ya kata ka item na ka calendar bat laam ba nom sha ini berkeren ni ngisngau si ba Pamenta kasni kadai ka private members day, kadai kasni ka ba opposition ka ligyo ban walang madan ya ki issues ki bakher. Nrai nilahap pan no shiteng por ya ka jing shok jogi ha ka dorbar tau ai menta kasni ban nilami no shabar bangin bertasya Shla persya yang kini kesokan persya yang ke jing tombor yang kesokan wat ya ka assembly ru kaba speaker na sya ini bangkren yang kini balai ba kesokan kahap-kapat sa kawai ke shiti sya speaker banau wat sya kami keladai sisya ke jing tombor yang kesokan bat ngisno walada ngim eno ye kibai kam ibadon kam banya keren takasni kan long kapakla ini proses bagi di manbet babaro di balaya saya betul kashiti bagi dan kata kajinget bahak on suspend ya kita kihe kulit le kihe songkar ibadon ti hak tu berit kakak tering 9 August baro kini banya join lang bagi namakila soy lang manong bangi masih kita dia ni don rengkat bat kata kencing dawa ban ha eno kam sipon suspension kamut papendu ya kakam pembajulong kibi inquiries ka judai ni ka bador kam ba itu ki badon ti lan ki basya keno badon ti deiban eno iki sejengai deiban belatno iki nakakam ka bat nak makata ka inquiry kan long ka betikna ninipan tang ya kata nrei niyo menban da kata ka jin khombor panung sya ini ban penset iki sentur kiskor gidungi hikmat gidungi nyimla kom kaseng ni hapan yang hem ban ni hapan dawa nakasokar bakan dia tu ini inong rem ayu kita bakimla bakin snap ya kita jingkepat gidungi dibangila sim hakador bar kauan hak jaka kawan, hak jaka kabak kentang, reklem syak ini. Dikata kadai kedau bangina. Ni na assembly sitting for mentakasni, bat ngin ino yang ikam dengkam banyak keren bat ngin siapa itu bat nila bat day kata bat keren yang itu issues itu nila tu bat keren mentakasni. Ngin kuah bangin keren depen shit yano. Kadai ti jongi lapan kamti dikipat ba ong bangin pensyut penflut ngin kwa banthe petrol hakading ke badang kalang tamba kadai kan renti sanjam kejongi kabahapo kaan ngisim ya kata kekabu ban keli ya kasorkar henrei ka kwa banung jubak hingi hakajik start jong upat ba tang kawai nakalyang persya jong kadorban kawan ngikar patret ngiki pat ba pakinong shit ng klang namaryo yang mensaw nray kidon kilenti kibabon kibagila banyan kahit mangiki amali atau ngilay siya surak ngilay siya lenti siya sengkin ban perta ngiwan ha kabenta kapadan hapo kajing ya dapat kajing pediat jokaan ban ni don pakok bangin geli marlada mangi ginong yalam ngimtip ki ay ginong rim hato upay ba lele yung injection lada yang ni jimbwa ban jubab upay ba lele siya unyo kabenta ban geli lada pi red nebim kwa mabim jubab ikin sami bidik geli kibak hapon menen hakayeng dorbar kawan hakaway lagi jingkeli mengikeli halor ka ay di plus lani kajing patay kubang lanka day home minister tala day hiu ba ay tip ini ba iba Chesterfield pangwir idon ti hangta iklem keli bangi day mai ba tu ini kata dinrei hapa pila pen ya kata ka jurisdiction jongki baki la yat halor kelenti ke badang don hapo kajing tokit balai pat yang ni keren sepang ke rezika suspension jong kita ki he sorkar nang bakan kod kan suba kajing tokit lada POM ya tu kajing ni hakan ni kebenta hak normal kawan kan ayu ini betkeli kata kajing keli.
Friends, today the opposition has to walk out from the house to demonstrate our anguish and our lack of confidence on the government, the MJ government. You will recall with a sense of pride and satisfaction then that prior to 2008, how the preceding government has put all the committed effort with utmost sense of sincerity, honesty, dedication, with a whole focus on the larger good of the people and for the larger interest of the state, to generate the momentum of development and growth, and to ensure that momentum of development and growth restore peace and try to sustain peace. Today, unfortunately, all those hard work to restore peace and sustain peace, you have seen what is the prevailing situation in the state, across the state, whether it is in the state capital, whether it is in the district capitals, or whether it is in other parts of the state. The sense of insecurity prevailing, the whole instances of lawlessness began appearing in the state, threatening the hard-earned peace, which should have been sustained with a committed effort. The irony is that the government of the state did not have the priority set to address its most important concern, which revolves around the larger interest of the people, larger interest of the state. And today, as the opposition wanted, the response of the government and the correct stand of the government in order to instill confidence and trust amongst the citizens of the state, we found that the government was completely trying to store what's collective intent of joining hands in the whole story of progress and growth of the state. But as you saw today, as you witnessed, the government is completely insensitive. They are probably not concerned about the need to understand the ground reality. They're completely disconnected from the ground reality as to what is happening in ground zero, and the outcome, the fallout is visible